Good afternoon, Jared Williams. We're taking a look at one of our 2015 Kenworth T680s. This truck is Paccar powered, 455 horsepower, 10-speed ultra-shift transmission, Aerodyne top, something that'll be able to keep your fuel economy as high as it can, along with all of your driver comforts on the inside of the bunk with the large 76-inch sleeper. We also do have a carrier APU on this truck. That'll keep you from idling, keep your fuel consumption at night down, and then also it's going to help save your after treatment system. Something that's kind of a necessity these days to be able to keep your maintenance costs down through the shop. These trucks do have 22.5 rubber all the way around, all aluminum wheels, side fairings, spot mirrors. One thing with this particular group of trucks, they do have factory warranty remaining. That remaining up to 500,000 miles. What we also do provide with the Paccar powered trucks, we do supply a 1-year 125,000 engine and after treatment coverage with it, with every truck deal that we sell. Truck does have dual air ride seats for passenger and driver comfort. This truck in particular has 473,000 miles on it. Not even half the life of what a Paccar should stand. This truck is single bunked. Along with, does have an air slide fifth wheel, lockers. We do have we do have cruise control, engine brake, manual fan, manual regeneration system. This is one of many trucks that we do have, one of 1,500. Granted, this truck is an ultra-shift transmission. We have 10-speed, 13-speed, 18-speed. Kenworth T680s, Peterbilt 579s, 587s, you name it. Freightliner Cascadias. Multiple units available. If you're in the market for a great truck, these trucks are DOT ready. They have been through our shop, have been through a detail. Give us a call. Phone number is 816-841-2051. We will talk to you soon.